saying is you're gonna do. I think you just lay this first, and then you keep going outward.
Okay.
Huh?
Lay this first.
We should get the hose, huh? Water hose.
No, that's all right.
So what you were saying is we can pull this mud this way. Okay, that gonna bring difference.
Yeah, because we need the concrete
How are you gonna level though?
with the level.
The concrete level.
With the level?
You don't want to level it?
Yeah, with the level. I have a level.
Okay. Granite. Where's the granite?
The drains, there's one right there.
Okay, there's one more. There's two more on this side too.
Right.
You seen him?
Yeah, you want them all covered with concrete?
No. At least they have pipe underneath.
One here. Oh yeah.
That makes we need to raise it up and for the water access. Otherwise, it's gonna be. Yeah, we can buy the pipe, whatever, but make sure those are where they're at.
They're fine. Yeah. Okay.
And what size hose or what kind of we can buy the plumbing pipes and raise it up. When we level up and we raise that things too.
Yeah, you just have to buy a little.
Yes. But the things, the way they lay this drainage, because of the water going this way, and if we stop, how's the water gonna go in there?
Well, we're not gonna stop it. We're not gonna cover it. You put a little tube over it.
I know, but see the way they put because
So
the water.
drains this way is what he's saying.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying.
That's the valley there for all this drainage.
Yeah.
So if we take that out, how's it going to drain back this way? It's not. It's going to drain that way. It has to slope off.
They have to be even.
It has to go away from the foundation.
Okay, go this
So
way.
if you want to drop those in and just kind of smooth it around them.
I don't want it in the rain and it's gonna be flooding all over the swimming pool.
Yeah.
I get what you're saying.
I mean, you know what I'm talking. That's what I'm bringing up and keeping where we're gonna level it.
Okay.
Whatever you do, if we need more mud, we can get some more mud. If you think this is the best way to go.
Yeah, I don't want to raise it up. I don't want to raise the ground anymore.
No up high.
Right here.
We can't. We can go up with the concrete.
A little bit and come back down to
You want to make it like this, the concrete, or the gut? I thought you wanted like more flat.
Make sure the water have to go somewhere.
Yeah.
The water, he doesn't want pot. He won't pot.
Yeah. Okay.
If we cut this off and then we just focus this up, and where the rest of water will go.
Well, we can have it slope down.
So all the flow of water have to go to this drain.
What do you?
Either raise this up or raise that up. Water have to go into that middle.
Okay. How big do you want the pad?
He wants the pad.
Not too small, not too big, but at least it's a decent size of.
We went 14 by 15.
Make it 20.
20? Okay.
So
That's what you
that's
measure.
right here where this mark is.
That's too far. Yeah.
Okay.
Let's measure the size. How size is that?
It's probably 20.
Well,
That's only 16 footer.
How come?
Because so measure 16 and then full.
Okay.
16?
Come here. That's 15.
That's 20 right there?
15.
15?
15.
That's pretty good, no?
That's what we were going to do, 15, yeah.
I think that's good. That's pretty good.
Okay, and then 14 across this way.
Which is
And how far we go this right?
right here.
2 more feet.
That's right over here.
You see the red guy? Where's that? Your plug outlet. There's your outlet there. So we're going to do it to the outlet so that, it's a lot nicer when you can.
Oh,
the
okay.
outlet.
Okay, that's good, yeah.
So we'll do it that far. That is like 23 by 15.
Okay, that's good.
We gotta get rid of these gophers.
Yeah, we'll just focus it up over there.
Where?
Whatever.
I know.
So the both side, I think that Steve, that thing is sloping this way and sloping this way. A little slope from both angle. Water go right in the middle.
Yeah, that's what we're gonna do.
That's where we just gonna focus.
Yeah. But this is a lot higher, so we have to.
Yeah. I know what I mean. I know I got it. The both slope have to go down in the middle, where the drain is. You can push that thing away.
Form setting straight. But the difference there is we're not worried about running down. It'll be level, but we got to go higher. So
Right.
it'll be probably 2 sets of lines. One for the middle, one for the top.
Okay.
So the forms are even.
Once everything line up and then it's easy, just dump it, that sucker.
Yeah. Have you checked the weather?
Check weather. You think you're gonna rain tomorrow?
That's what he says.
That's what they say?
That's what he says, yeah.
Steve Sr. I like you guys' nature. I like you get a good nature. You get really good human, what do they call it?
Now, that's
You know, I'm glad I'm glad I don't have no Spanish because it's very hard. First, we have to go through the language barrier. Then, if I tell him do this, he might gonna run after other stuff. So, at least we can communicate, right?
Yes.
Yeah.
If I have a Spanish, there's two guys Spanish come here. Are you listening? There's two Spanish guy come here, and they try to look around, and one guy is a translator. He don't barely speak English, so the other guy says something. I say what? And he keep like wasting too much time and accomplish nothing, and they never showed up again. Communication is very, very important. They're hard worker, but they Dad know what he's doing. He know what he's doing. That's not how you pass the tool. Always the metal piece in your hand.
Okay.
And hand.
You're right.
No, this is someone have to tell you.
I know.
When you pass the tool, make sure you grab the metal piece and give him the handle because he's gonna use it. So that's how you're gonna learn first thing.
It's a.
There you go.
Yeah.
I was telling you passed the wrong way.
It is just,
Yes, it is. Yeah.
we do that though.
If he don't tell you,
I'm messing with
someone have to teach you how to pass the tool.
Yeah, he knows. He knows.
I was messing with
He was messing with me.
It was messing with you, huh?
Yeah, all day.
You get a nice dad, he take all your mess, huh?
I got no choice. It's the only son I got.
It's good. I'm just kidding.
Yeah.
You guys getting along pretty good. Plus, you are your dad and son. What else better friendship going to be?
Yeah. Not any.
Well, I want to spend the whole day working. I want to spend it with family. Well, I need to get it straight.
Once we're done with this, right? And this walk away, the path is easy, very simple, right?
Yeah.
This is the only one. The rest of his piece of cake, right?
Yeah. This one, as long as you start it back in that corner and come this way.
That's what I was telling you to start here, and then this
That
is
makes more sense, yeah.
those path is not a big deal.
Yeah, that makes more sense. But if we're gonna put concrete over there, we might as well start over there.
I'm not in a rush. If you get tired, if you feel like to rest or whatever, I'm not putting any kind of pressure on you guys. I know it's a hard work a little bit,
A little bit.
and you do what you gotta do, you know. At least mark the way you did it. Just gonna lay the floor,
That's just rough in, yeah. That's just rough in. We're gonna dig it out. So
Yeah.
Forms in, so.
and once you put the things in the framing up, and that's it.
Well, we'll put up the forms. We'll run a string. We'll put up the forms to the string, and then we'll get ready. We'll backfill it on the edge back there a little bit. And we'll
I
get
think
ready
that's
for it.
pretty nice size right here.
Yeah, it is. That's real good. His own tennis shoes. He wanted to buy his own things.
Yeah. My son is to do the same thing.
Yeah.
My son was asking if he saw him yesterday working over there. He said, does he know how to do the fence, the metal gate or metal fence grill? You do that?
No.
Somebody know you does it?
Everything I do just about.
He have
everything
one
with
client that
welding.
he looking for somebody like this kind of job. Metal.
They need
Yeah.
weld? You need welding skills?
My son working as a sell solar panel.
Oh.
My son sells solar panel.
Yeah.
He have a warehouse. He have all that bunch of stuff in his. So he get the job and he send the worker to go. Sales is very hard to.
Yeah, you got to come up with a certain amount. You got to sell, basically.
It's not easy though.
And
Okay.
you get the same. You get level depth. You measure from your stream to the dirt where your level is, and that way you know you got.
That slope is gonna very helpful.
Yes.
That's good.
Yeah, and we'll have to put a kind of a heavy broom on it so you can have traction.
Now I can see what you're doing.